guys, so right now we just hit out having lunch. As you can see, I'm like burning as fuck. What the hell? Look, that's my real skin tone, and then this is like I'm burning. So anyways, we are at the restaurant called The Orange. It's near Renon. It's in Denpasar itself, which is the town of Bali. So what are we, what's the menu?
Here's the menu. That's the beverage.
I'll show you guys what we're having. That's the food menu. Okay, it's pretty westernized. Oh, they have sandwich. Pasta! Okay, I think I'm gonna go for the pasta. Oh yeah, anyways, Shane just arrived. Oh my god, it's so dark. Yeah. And this is her friend Jannah. And that's our driver slash friend. That's Dina. Okay guys, we finally get to try this traditional local Bali cigarettes. It looks, the packaging looks awesome, and it costs actually double than what they are selling on the mini mart here, because this costs about like $5, 50,000 rupiah.
I want to try. This is the real kretek from Indonesia.
Yeah, from Java, guys. I'm sorry, I said earlier on it was from Bali, but it's not.
Thank you. Try. Hey, the smell is.
Satu aja.
We share this.
Yeah, we share
The
this.
smell is so good, but I don't know if I can, like, you know, smoke it. But let's try. Mira, wind down the window, please. Both of us are Japanese, so we're trying Java cigarette, and it's awesome. You guys should try it. What's the name of the cigarette? Sehat.
Rokok sehat.
Rokoknya sehat ya.
It means like
it's healthy. Rokok mengandung tembakau berkualitas high quality dan harum gurih. Is it organic punya stuff?
Yeah.
Dalam
So basically this is an organic cigarette.
Inside this rokok having formula membuat rokok ini multifungsi dan menimbulkan stamina secara natural tanpa efek samping. Wow! You mean healthy
it means
people?
there's no side effect.
We need to buy this cigarette. Singapore has
It is like.
This is awesome, guys. It's like organic.
Yeah, and they have
Orang
what?
sakit itu ada yang sembuh loh sama rokok ini. Oh. It helps
Okay, so
with whatever
it's a miracle cigarette.
sakit apa yang sembuh? Beraneka ragam sih, ada dari sakit kayak pusing atau sakit perut biasa tuh bisa sembuh. Sakit gigi, saya sendiri pernah sakit gigi. If you have toothache, smoke this cigarette. It helps.
How about sakit hati?
High pain don't work, I think. Kalau itu urusan sedih.
Okay, it doesn't help with heartbreaks, guys. So, yeah.
So yeah, you gotta smoke this.
You guys should try it if you guys can get this cigarette, because they don't sell it on.
Anyway, you're talking, you're not smoking, so let me help you.
Because they don't sell it at like the commercial store, like normal mini marts. They only sell it like
Agents. So if you
by agents. Maybe you need to ask the locals where you could get this cigarette
and also
from.
she said if you have stomach pain, I'm not sure, like stomach flu maybe, like if acid reflux and stuff like that, it helps. It also helps with
for headaches.
So I should smoke
for
more of
diarrhea.
this.
Yeah, guys, we're entering the waterfall. Okay guys, so here we are, just arrived at the Tegenungan waterfall. We had a little story to tell you guys later on. You know, the journey of how we get to here. It was pretty scary. So this is how it looks like, the entrance. I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, that's nice. Mind your steps. Mind your steps.
I went down this slope.
Okay, let's go there. I'm guessing that's the view of, oh, that's the view from the top. Look, amaze ball, guys, it's beautiful. So guys, you need to mind your steps. We're going down to the waterfall there. It's a lot of steps. Oh, another photo taking spot here. There's a photo taking spot upstairs, but there's too many people, so we decided to go down to the waterfall first and then get our picture later when we are done. Oh my god, this is so scary, guys. I'm gonna put my camera away and see you guys downstairs. Are you guys doing? So here we are, yay, finally arrived. Have to walk down this road to get to the waterfall there. Jannah? Oh. Look. Pretty. Okay guys, look, there's no more steps. I mean, there's no more flat road like this. It's all bumpy. It's getting bumpier and bumpier. Look. I'm not ready for this, bitch. I don't want to die today. Nobody wants to die. These three bitches are so slow. I was here waiting for like... I was already here for like a good 10 minutes and they're still upstairs going down the stairs. So guys, I'm gonna show you, this is how close we're gonna get to the waterfall. Look! So beautiful! Lovely. So guys, we decided to hang out here for another half an hour. Don't mind my boobs. And Mira, as always, she's being a pussy. She stayed here for like a good solid 20 minutes. And then we were out there taking photos. Like there. Like up there. There? You guys can see? Yeah. And that is why we all get wet.
Hi guys. We had so much fun. Did you see the rainbow? No, there was a rainbow there.
No, obviously they can't.
At the waterfall, it was so amazing. My God.
No, I don't think we can see it from this angle here, but when you are right there, like that man there, you can actually see a rainbow from the waterfall.
So I think in the photos probably.
Yeah. Yeah. I think you guys can check out my Instagram if we get that rainbow shot or not.
but we really had fun. This is our first trip together.
Yes.
Me, Mira, and Caesarin.
Yeah, and Jannah too.
Jannah tertinggal. I'm sorry. And my first is Jannah as well.
Yeah, our first trip together. I've never met her. This is the first time. This is how we met basically in Bali.
We made friends in Bali.
Oh. So guys, now we're gonna dip in the pool. Watch us.
Olympic.
Give me a Olympic. Give me. One, two, three. Just checking if I'm recording. One, two, three. It's scary. First of all, it's very scary. They actually had a sign telling us that the cliff or the road is bridge is basically is broken. Okay, so it's just an one way one road bridge. It's a one road, but it's two ways. You know, you have to wait one another to give give way.
Yeah, correct. It's a narrow road. It's a narrow road.
Yeah.
The road is very narrow. Then we approach a very small an alley apparently.
Yeah, and
that has a bridge.
Yeah.
And then
can you guys see? Okay. This is the road, okay? Okay, the road is going this way.
This is the car.
Okay, so this is the car. Okay, this lighter is the car. And then this is the cliff. You know, there's like a mountain cliff, you know, because we go in and out of the mountain. Basically, we are at the edge of the cliff. So this is our car. And this is the road. The road was like divided into two. Boom! It's like half. So it become like this basically. It turned out to be like this. And then we try to squeeze in, but somehow halfway the car couldn't move and it's just stopped there. Right where the broken bridges, okay, the broken roads at. Yeah, but our driver she panicked and then she stopped there. Maybe the car is too big and then couldn't go through. And then somehow we managed to get in through.
It was kind of a thrill, actually an adventure for this trip. But we all got traumatized after that. So we managed to pull through. We went. No, it's not burnt. Oh yeah, it looks like chapati now. So we managed. Where was I saying? We managed to pull through. We apparently we did cross that bridge. Cross that broken road. And then along the way after that,
after the broken road, then you back to the normal road, and then you went up to the slope. Somehow, the car maybe the driver forgot to change the gear, and the car like reversed backwards, like boom, 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 boom.
And we were like, whoa, what's going on? And then we didn't even notice, we didn't even know that whether she's panicking or she looks so blurred. And
I think she was traumatized from the broken bridge.
If she were to tell us at that point of time, we could have just pulled that handbrake. So and like in a way it would save us. But we actually went down a slope already, and we didn't know if there are other vehicles behind us.
Yeah.
That was really scary. Yeah.
And then there's one oncoming vehicle from the other side. They realized that we panicked and we had problems with the car, and then they offered help to check if the car is working properly, if the brakes functioning properly.
He did e-brake while we were in the car.
Yeah.
He speed up and then he broke. He broke up. He speed up and then he jam brake.
Jam brake, yeah.
And then we were like, jerking in front of it. We were so scared.
Yeah, man.
And Mira, her face was like, Careful,
Oops. So yeah, guys. So basically, that is our story.
Yeah, and then Celine was like, I don't want to